I'm meteorologist Gary Lezak with Weather 2020. Hurricane Beryl is barreling across the Caribbean Sea and just south of Jamaica. Let's take a look at this and we'll show you how the LRC, the only known method technology in the world to be even have a chance of predicting when and where a tropical system will be, pick this one out as much as 7 months earlier, which I'll show you here in just a second. But let's go take a look at this. You can see there is Jamaica right here. You can see it outlined right there. This is the hurricane. The center of the hurricane is going to cross very close to the southern coast of Jamaica. There's going to be some problems, but it looks like the biggest impacts around the eye wall should be just south of the island. If you can see there. Let's go to another. This is from Tropical Tip. It's a great site to track these things. You can see there's the eye. It's right there. It's just not as defined as yesterday. It's still a powerful hurricane. So it's going to impact Jamaica today and then head out over the rest of the Caribbean Sea. All right, so where is this thing headed? Let's take a look at this. You can see that Beryl is right here. You see this yellow dot? This yellow dot and this one are predictions of where there would be a system from as early as last November, 7 months ago. Weather 2020 predicted, we picked out this was, we didn't make the prediction until March, so it's a 3.5 month prediction, but you can go back to November and you can see there's an indication, and then this one from the third cycle, the weather pattern cycling, and we have 3 different indications that if you connect the dots, that would be the most likely track. So let's watch and see where Beryl is actually predicted to track. All right, so I'm going to put this in motion. Here's the track that it was taking, and you can see our prediction almost spot on from that one from November 11th. It goes just north of the other one, and it goes right through this prediction. Now, this is just a projection, but look at that. This is what we had been analyzing since November for a possible tropical system around the first 5 days, 7 days of July, and here it is taking this track. Now, notice it goes from a Category 4 to a Category 3 to Category 2 to Category 1. Cancun's right here, so Cancun looks like it's going to get spared the worst. It's going to go in farther south, and it weakens to a tropical storm because it goes over the body of the Yucatan Peninsula. You need to have warm water to feed these hurricanes, so when it's over land, they weaken. And so it's going to likely weaken to a tropical storm, and may strengthen back to a hurricane, and then approach southern Texas. But it's going to go, it looks like it's going to go inland across Mexico. But you can see the fan here. This is the whole possibility of where it's going to track. But look at that. Let me show you that one more time. Just look at it. So these are the 3 indicators from 7 months ago, and then this is the track that it took. All right. In fact, we even put out a forecast track. I'm going to go to the next one. Look at it, goes right through that last indicator. Amazing. And then we even predicted this potential path, in our March update. And you can see it takes a track right through it. Pretty incredible stuff there. So obviously we have a dangerous hurricane south of Jamaica today. It's likely going to weaken. As it approaches the Texas coast or the Mexico coast, it appears it will not be a major hurricane. It should be just a tropical storm or maybe a Category 1 hurricane. Still a hurricane, could cause problems, but not nearly as strong as it was. So there's your update for this July 3rd, July 4th. And if you're wondering, in Kansas City, thunderstorms are a possibility later today, tonight, and on the 4th. But right now, it may turn out okay for some of these fireworks displays Wednesday night and Thursday night. Have a great day. I'm meteorologist Gary Lezak with Weather 2020. Let me know if you have any questions. And subscribe to this YouTube channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have 176,000 subscribers. So let's spread the word on this incredible technology we're sharing with you. I'm meteorologist Gary Lezak.